Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish articles on a WordPress website in 2025, step by step, so you can get your content live fast and effortlessly. First, open your browser and head to the official WordPress website. Once you're there, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click it and you'll be directed to the sign in page. The easiest way to log in is through your Google account. Just click continue with Google, select the correct account, and you're in. Linking your WordPress to your Google account makes managing your website super smooth. Once logged in, head straight to the post section in your dashboard. Here, you can see all your existing articles and manage them. To create a new post, click on Add New Post. It's usually in a very visible spot. This opens up a clean, distraction-free editor where you can start building your article. Start by typing a clear, descriptive title. Then move to the body of your post and add your content. Break it into paragraphs for readability, use headings where needed, and add links or formatting to make your article more engaging. Remember, a well-structured post keeps readers hooked. When you're ready, hit the Publish button, confirm if prompted, and just like that, your article is live for the world to see. And that's it. Publishing articles on WordPress has never been easier. Now you can share your ideas, stories, or tips with your audience in just a few clicks. Don't forget to enjoy the process and interact with your readers. They love it when creators engage with them. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a WordPress tip. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.